Hey, what's up traders, the FX Hunter here and welcome to the weekly Forex forecast for the 30th October. So what we can see on the US dollar is basically that the banks became very bullish in the past weeks in the 10 years view, right? So we can see as well that they reduced their shorts position, so they becoming very bullish, right? 80% currently to the long side, and the 10 years extreme is a 93%, so there is still room to go higher. So if we look to the chart, we can see that the price has reacted nicely in this beautiful demand zone, and it broke through this short-term 4-hour trend line. So what I'm expecting is the price to go higher to reach this target around the 95. As well, we have here this long-term channel, so I'm thinking here will be where we are going, so that could be play for the next weeks. This is a euro, and on the euro we can see that the price actually reacted on this supply zone in here, and it's starting to drop down, right? And as I'm expecting the dollar to be bullish, the euro probably will be bearish, and we can see that in the past the banks has been much more bullish than they are right now, right? So we can see as well that there was some profit taking, and this is a little bit confusing because if we look where the data was released, it was here, right? So we can see that basically the banks reported 196k longs and 208 shorts. But what happened then? They rated the price into this above these levels. So I think they closed more of these longs in here, and then they added some more shorts in here. So they manipulated the price up. I was actually bullish in the last week, and I was expecting the price to react on this bottom of this channel and move higher. My target was much higher, however I closed some good profits in here, so I wasn't taken out on this one, right? So currently, if the price do some small retracement, then I think we are going to the lower demand zone on the bigger time frame. If we look to the pound, here is not much happening. Not much happening. Yes, there is of course something happening, but still we are around the 58 to 42% exposure. And as I predicted last week, I would expect the drop from this supply zone in here and from this top of this channel, right? Which actually happened, and I had quite nice entry in here. Price is dropping lower, and I think it can come down all the way into this bottom of this channel, so it still could go lower. However, I will not be interested to trade this because I closed the trade, and just entering after this move, not good. If the price do some retracement, then maybe, but as we can see, the banks are quite getting more into the bullish side, and we can see the 14k longs, which is quite big change from this negative. So what I'm thinking in here is that if the price will start to drop lower, I will be looking for some longs in here, right? So, but I don't think it will be in play for the next week. So pound not interesting for me now. And this is the Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar is making some quite nice waves. We can see it has moved in the wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and currently it's ranging somehow. Here is a long-term channel, and I think we will reach this price. However, I think the price will drop lower first, right, to the bottom of this channel. So I was actually taking the short in here, and it did not I lost a little bit my patience, so I'm out of this trade, but I would be interested to get in the long if the price will drop lower down here into this 0.618 fib, right? So which will be as well in confluence with this demand zone and this channel. So if the price will start to drop down here, then I will be looking for long, and I think the price will actually drop, so this short could work because I'm expecting the strong dollar in the next week, so this could definitely work as well. Sorry, I should not say definitely in the trading, but I think it can drop. Alright, this is Kiwi, and as well I'm thinking that after this nice ride into the top of this channel, price has been ranging in here. Yes, we are seeing some growth in the longs positions, but as well. What can happen in here? Yes, price can go up like this, you know, we will not make anything about this, but if the price will retrace down into this demand zone and into this channel, that would be nice for the taking long here, right? And expecting the dollar be strong this week, so we will might get this short, right? So there needs to be some confirmations on the 15 minutes charts, but it's about that's what we should look by ourselves. So this one is a Kiwi franc, sorry, this is a USDJPY, and it has been very bullish, right? However, it reached this beautiful supply zone and price started to drop down, right? So I'm thinking we will see one more push down to the bottom of this channel, and from here some nice potential longs could be played out. What can happen as well is that the price will simply break through this and it can continue higher, right, without any correction, which I'm expecting. That can be case as well. This is the USD franc, and yeah, price dropped nicely into this level, and we can see that the bank actually added some nice longs in here, right? We can see that in this period they've been building the longs positions, which is good because they probably build them in here, right? So that's the question, did they close some of them or what are they doing? So yeah, I'm thinking the price will go higher now. Why? Because we can see the break of this low, and I think many people short that in here, right? So here will be in this supply zone will be nice liquidity, which I think will be visited in this week. Next one is the USDCAD. So USDCAD, yes, as predicted last week, I was expecting the price to reach into this beautiful supply zone, which is as well in the confluence with this channel. So we can see that the banks actually reported that they closed some longs positions, which happened in this period, and we don't have a data for this period, right? So what they probably did in here, I think that they bought some positions in here, right? So they basically bought them back and they taking the price higher up now. So I think in this week we will see the price moving higher, as I expect the strong dollar. Next one is the AUDJPY, and as I'm expecting the correction on the USDJPY and on the Aussie as well with the strong dollar, I think this supply zone and top of this channel could work nicely before the from where the price could start dropping lower. So AUDJPY, I'm bearish short term, and this is the CAD JPY. Here I am short term bearish as well. I'm thinking that we will see the drop lower before the price continue higher, right? So I think the price is for of the JPY pairs. Most of the JPY pairs will simply could be making the corrections this week. This is the pound yen as well, same month. This one I call it nicely, and I think many people took this trade. So yes, this can drop as well beautifully, and then maybe we could see the potential move up against the JPY. And this is the Kiwi franc. It's moving in this beautiful channel, and I think the bigger trend is developing in here. I'm watching it closely. So what's happening in here? We had this up move, and now the price is making the correction, right? So I think around here it could be, you know, ranging, and then if we will see the break of this level, that would be perfect. All right, my friends, if you like this type of the analysis, please subscribe to my channel. It's all free, and visit my Telegram channel as well. Bye bye.